ngitsho khona kosahlala endaweni ekhulu yiyo indawo ekhulu le angitsho kune-fridge nyana khona le efaka amaphilisi
le temperature ekhulu
hayi lento yenzeka lapha angisafuna ukuqhubekelisa into ila ayikho right thina sihlelo le-identical force we want to share that ukuthi as it now bathi abafuna abogogo bakhambe ebusuku bafuna ukuthi bakhambe kusemini
sibabone nathi
mayithi ngicheck ukuthi kubanike bazonana bacala ukuthi bangafuni ukuze bazobathatha ngoba thina ngeke sihlale la kakhulu
that's our concern
nathi sneaking it ningathi bomakhelwane baburambo abomakhelwane labo kuhle ngibo benze ukuthi kube so ngisho namhlanje sibawile nalokho nabo cancel sathi sibawa ukuthi kube nabantu abazosigadisa unsiki angeza azobatshontshe ebusuku ngoba ekugcineni uyobakidnapper vela abantu laba namhlanje sovuka ekseni bangeke amasosha lokho asibatshelile yangizwa amaphoyisa besiwafunela ukuthi kuzogada indawo le
akuna alternative old age mhlambe ekhona la eduze
Setofontein
and then phela ngeke ufike kuyo old age ufike usoletha abantu nje without any agreement without anything without identity wow
ngicabanga ukuthi enye into my king let us not worry about ukuthi uzofika abatshontshe and so on it is in the community's concern in the morning thina somphakathi we rather gather here sizochecka ukuthi what happened overnight, you understand? And if ever sithola ukuthi ubathethe ubusuku it means kuzofuna ukuthi
the matter must be escalated. Hello.
Yebo kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Wonke ngifanele ne?
Yes.
Isibamba ncantu uthi. Hayi baqeda yeah?
Your call has been placed on hold. Please wait. Your call has
mfundo ushiba lokuyangifonela ya. Yazi ene ngibhizi la iphone ngicabanga. Hello.
Hello.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila yazi ama calls la ayangena ngikhuluma nemifemesi. Ngeke ngifona manje akhipha on hold. Waku bank identical force.
Yes, from identical force.
Okay. Siyenza nini appointment yethu because angisho bathi bayabalanda ugogo but mina kose ukuthi ungibone in person nama ngikhole ukubona ungabe ngathi na.
Remember ukuthi ehlelweni lethu we only have one side of the story and then we want to get the other side because as we came here now like Sitho Sibize we community concern la emphakathini we have their side of the story. We want to get your side of the story. That is why agent lento.
Ngifuna uku-organize because the social worker said by end of tomorrow kube bahambile uMabhena noBoko Stombi ne?
Yeah.
Mina nawe sihlangana nini?
The only
ngisolve leyo ukuthi they must move then mina bese siyathola nasinaweni makhona.
Yeah, if I may ask ukuthi why do you want to move them?
No, they bathi vele because asimitha ama-norms and standards fanele bamube bese mina ngibuya kibo e-social development.
Bathi awenzeni?
Bathi asimithi ama-norms and standards.
Okay, so bathi kose bamuva nini so?
Yeah, bathi no, lo oyi-one abana-transport ne but lo munye ne-transport bazathi makamthatha bahlale bamgibeza naye so angazi because mina uma ukuthi fanele nakusasa bahambile because usasinitha ama-requirements.
Okay,
ngicabanga ukuthi bakaMabhena laba ngizokufonela nawe noma ungafonela isingikhulume lo mfana kamkhulu.
Okay, yeah, because you know, okay, usakhuluma nomunye because I want to clarify. Yeah, because my concern is one here nginomkhulu nanke lapha akakasela amapilisi uthi seka nesikhathi asele ipilisi eli1 and uthi uze azikhambela. Yeah, manje uthi akasela amapilisi and then as now kunabanye abagogo bathi abakahle ngaphakathi apha nala singena ngaphakathi isithuthi. Ngibona kunakudla ngapha ngoba sithudile nangaphakathi.
Angisho uyasho ukuthi bathi bona abakudla. Nayazi ngibeza la ama-transaction ekwenzekani sekhikiza yamba yokuthi bahambe because mina ngiseselapho
Oh yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi nathi njengoba sihlelo besifuna ukuthi mhlambe sithuthe sokulala la sizokuthola indawo la sokuba khona la around so that ukuthi into enenye yenzekako at least sikhona ukubona ngoba since well one of the families kungabi namuntu lapho bese kuthi amakenisha yeah, as we are saying that ukuthi thina ukhumbula ukuthi sibathandi bendaba masithola indaba ezidosako sifuna ukuthi sizicede singazilisi izilengile so that is why sifuna ukuthi mhlambe nase lesokubheka istory sethu ukuthi babe bangekho lapho ngubani mhlambe oba authorize ukuthi bangabe utsho baphi angisho i-social worker inamba ngiphe yona ingeni inamba yakhe ngicela uyibize futhi sim-add i-social worker lelo Tama kancane 074 722 443 okay akhe sim-add futhi
i-social worker ubani bafu siyawazi ama-social worker wona azisho ukuthi ubani.
Hello njani?
khona njani?
Siyaphila. Ukhuluma noBhili from kuhlelo libizwa nge-Identical Force.
Okay.
From lenanegong le lebitswang ka Identical Force.
Yes.
Re go founela re nyaka go kwa lehlakore la gago mabapi le issue e ya ko kwa ga A. Mhlawumbe wena o social worker ya plekeng ya kae because bare you are the person who is responsible mabapi le issue ya mo old age ya ko kwa ga A. Mara, are you a social worker?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. You don't know that you are a social worker?
I need to hurry. Because never today.
Okay, o social worker ya moki kwa ga
Yes.
mkobole kophi ingekho la ngikwa gala
No, namukwaka.
Oh, okay, wena bobuditse ke mamhlamongwe.
I was told to hurry. One of the officials say baboni mo group ya kwaka. Something like that, and then he
Okay, but the
Ugari, one of the officials say group ya the community ya kwaka. So we only honamu then I inform the social workers.
Oh, so what was the decisions in